Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to convert USDT to TRX in your Trust Wallet. So open up your Trust Wallet, enter your passcode or Face ID, and then from here you will locate all your coins in the very bottom corner of your screen. So as you can see, if you want to convert your USDT, select the USDT that you have. So if you're in the Ethereum network or ERC20, you want to use the Ethereum one right here. So all you have to do is press swap button right here, and then right here you will have to choose TRX and search it in the top button corner right here. And then as you can see right here, all you have to do is sell it for the amount that you want to. So if you want $999 worth of USDT in TRX, you can swap it and then make sure your balance is sufficient, of course. And remember, there's going to be a gas fee and a provider fee right here. And as you can see, there's a provider fee of 0.006 or 0.06 cents only, but that will depend on the Ethereum network or the network that you're using. So make sure you're using the same networks towards wherever you're trying to swap it into, and that's how you do it.